Welcome to my YouTube video. I heard a lot about smoky eyes, which is like a makeup thing that girls do, and I've decided that I'm going to try it. I want mine to be as authentic as possible, so I have this candle here and some paper. We're going to see how well we can get the smoky eye to happen. Oh, jeez, heck! Oh, it burns. Okay, so it turns out a smoky eye has something to do with blending and eyeshadow. So, got some eyeshadow and a blender. So we pretty much used all of it, got it all in there. And I don't know if it's gonna blend super well, so we're just gonna add a little bit of water. Okay, just like that much, you know. How does this work? Oh! Okay, looks good to me. After you've blended your eyeshadow properly, just take your fingers and stick it in there as far as you can, get enough out, and just kind of like put it on right here. And you're gonna want to flick it out so you get a nice, oh, it looks good. I think we're getting there. Put it on the left eye. I feel like a football player. Okay, so actually it doesn't look bad. I feel like we're getting there. Next step is the cat eye. Tell me your secrets. How do you do it? I'm afraid to touch her because I'm allergic. No, I'm sorry. I love you. So that wasn't really any help. She didn't tell me anything. But I got this flash cat eye from L'Oreal Paris, and it has a convenient stencil. So we're gonna see how this works. I think you just put it like this, and then you goop it in there. Oh yeah, that's great. Okay. Oh, whoa, it actually worked. And then after you goop it on, you wanna close one eye, and then with your other eye, you're gonna, oh wow, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All the way across, as close as possible. I'm actually doing really good. Despite what it may look like, I'm not a professional. Oh, let's go. I mean, this is actually fun. I enjoy this. It's very therapeutic. Boom. We're done. Just a warning. Don't do this if you don't have makeup remover, because it is super hard to get off. Like, really hard to get off. Thank you for watching.